Hello, everyone! Let's explore some handy TUKAcad shortcuts. Today, we'll see how to work faster without confirmation dialogues while making pattern changes, like notching points, creating buttons, or drafting style lines. Sometimes, confirmation dialogues keep popping up and slow us down. We can speed things up by disabling these dialogues. First, go to the View menu, uncheck Create Internal Confirmation, and Move Point Confirmation. Next, set up your draft preferences. Go to the Tools menu, then select Draft and Move Setup. Here, change Create Point on Snapped Contour to Always, and Make Possible Points Connection to Always. Now, when I make pattern changes, I can work freely without confirmation dialogues interrupting my workflow. If I do need a dialogue for a specific action, just hold down the Alt key while placing the point. This brings up the dialogue for one-time use. The same applies to notching. Hold the Alt key while clicking to get the notch dialog once. When drafting, you can lock directions easily. Shift plus H to lock horizontally. Shift plus V to lock vertically. To create a curve point, hold the Shift key while clicking. And remember, you can always use the Alt key to bring up the Move Point dialog whenever needed. This is how you can work faster, cleaner, and more efficiently in TUKAcad, without unnecessary dialogues.